Welcome to HeatSign, your trusted industrial marking solutions provider from China. Today, we'll show you how our portable laser engraver makes chassis number engraving precise, durable, and easy. Accurate and permanent chassis number engraving is essential for product identification, traceability, and compliance in industries like automotive and heavy machinery. Here's how HeatSign's portable laser engraver delivers outstanding results. Portability: compact and easy to move for on-site engraving. High precision: marks with sharp detail and lasting durability. Fast marking speed: increases productivity on production lines. Simple operation: intuitive software for seamless control. See how effortlessly our machine engraves the chassis number. The engraving is deep, clear, and resistant to wear, perfect for industrial applications. Here's the final result: a clearly engraved chassis number that ensures long-lasting traceability and compliance. Looking for a reliable solution for chassis number engraving? Contact HeatSign today to learn how our portable laser engraver